Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan at sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Nagkamigay shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Scorpio. Okay? Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, and you're safe. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate kayo sa ating video at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, please follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo po ang mag-message po sa akin. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sa inyo para po mag-offer ng private reading sapagkat mga scammer po yan. Beware of scammers today. May mga nagagaya po ng ating account, may mga nagre-upload ng aking videos. That's why doble ingat po tayo. Right? So sige, wag natin patagalin pa, Scorpio. Kunin na natin yung 10 baraha para sa iyong general reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Case, sorry. Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please. Saint Michael for Scorpio. Right? Sige, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Yan, nagsisilaglaga na sila. 7, 8, 9. And last one. Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. Alright. Scorpio, your 10 cards are now ready for your general reading. Wag na natin pang patagalin to. Let's begin with your first and opening card. Wow. Ace of Cups. This is moving on. This is healing, moving forward, new beginning. Ace of Cups is a card of new chapter in life that will going to unfold. Okay. More opportunities, more blessings na parating para sa iyo, Scorpio. Lately, grabe yung mga pinagdaanan. You face a lot of battles na hindi alam ng karamihan na may pinagdadaanan ko pala. With the Ace of Cups here, you are bound for recovery. Okay? I-claim mo nito, Scorpio, because I can see a big potential for you. Hindi pa ito eh. May mas ikakaunlad ka pa. May mas ikakasaya ka pa. Mas may ikakayaman ka pa. You know? There's a lot of things that maaari ka pang ibigay. May ikatodo pa. So with the Ace of Cups here, I can see a slowly turn around of your situation. This is not only recovery, but this is a kind of recovery na kumbaga align ka dito ka saya, dito ka masaya, dito ka, kumbaga, this is what you're wishing and this is what you're dreaming for a long time. Wow. Oh my God. Magician is here. Okay? So Scorpio, I have no doubt. With the first and second card, believe me, Scorpio, you are bound for a life na talagang grabe. I cannot, you know, the energy that I can feel there is like, sabi ko nga, hindi lang to basta-basta recovery. This is the kind of recovery na talagang apaw yung blessings, apaw yung good news, you know? It's like one blessing to another. It's like every day there are a lot of opportunities that will be knocking on your door. You have a lot of manifestations, you have a lot of prayers that will be answered. There will be a lot of wishes that will be granted for you. I-claim mo na to, Leo. I-claim mo to, Scorpio. Leo. The Scorpio, because the Magician card is here. Nothing is impossible. Put your trust in the universe. Do your job. Work hard. Be patient. Believe me, everything will fall into place for you. This is amazing. Napakaganda nito. Okay? Apaw ito eh. So this is extraordinary, and you truly deserve this, Scorpio, after all of those painful experiences that you've been through for the past months and past years. Grabe. 2 cards pa lang, pero kumbaga kota na tayo. Pangatlo, Scorpio, is the Nine of Pentacles. Stability. So, sabi ko nga, you're going to harvest all the fruits of your labor, of your hard work. After all the betrayals, after lahat ng mga pagtatraidor, after lahat ng mga masasakit na pinagdaanan mo, ito. At the end, ikaw pa rin ang mananalo, Scorpio. Ikaw pa rin ang uuwing tagumpay, ikaw pa rin ang uuwing hawak ang what is this, yung premyo, which is the Pentacles. This is not only a financial blessing, but it comes also with peace of mind. Okay? This is also a blessing of contentment. A blessing of people that is trustworthy. Scorpio, believe me, you are bound for a life that you've been dreaming of. May pag-move forward talaga tayo dito. Healing, moving forward. Although, I can see her with the Six of Swords na meron pa rin natitirang mga sakit, mga hinanakit. Of course, hindi mabilis ang healing. But I am so proud of you, Scorpio, that you're doing the first step of moving on. You're doing now the necessary steps para makapag-move forward. Wala na tayong magagawa sa nakaraan, sa mga nangyari. Tapos na yon. What is the most important thing is yung mga learnings na natutunan mo. So with the Six of Swords here, I can see a total, okay, moving forward, healing for you. Okay, bibit-bitin mo yung mga masasakit na pinagdaanan mo, ng mga learnings mo, for you to move forward and to start all over again. Scorpio, the kind of pagsisimula na maraming bagong lesson na i-apply. Okay, sa mga tao sa paligid, sa sitwasyon, everything. It's because pinikha ka talaga Talagang nilagay ka sa isang pressure cooker and pinalambot ka ng mga sitwasyon, ng mga problema, ng mga failures in these past weeks and months. But here you are, nakasurvive ka, buhay ka pa rin, and you're still fighting for yourself. And that is already enough, Scorpio. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ten of Cups, we have a big celebration here. This is worthy of celebration. Sabi ko, meron talagang malaking milestone journey na pating sa'yo na that you're going to embark on a new journey of life, Scorpio, na sabi ko, this is where you are aligned. Dito ka masaya. Ito yung gusto mo. Ito yung pinapangarap mo. That's why hindi lang ikaw yung magsa-celebrate dito. It's like the whole family, the whole community, the whole friendship here. Because they saw. They saw your greatness. They saw your sacrifices. And that thing, kapag dumating na itong big blessing, this is sabi ko nga, this is worthy of celebration. Celebration not only you, but the whole community, but the whole members of family. Okay? So, we have 5 cards remaining here. Before we proceed to our last 5 cards here, kapag di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Please like, comment, and share. If you're watching this in our in our TikTok account, please mag-follow po kayo. And please, if you want to avail a private reading, mag-send po kayo sa akin ng message. And huwag po kayo magpapaloko sa mga scammer. Hindi po ako unang mag-send po sa inyo ng message para mag-offer ng private reading. Mga scammer po yan na nagagaya po ng ating account at nag-re-upload na ating videos. Alright, Scorpio, let's continue sa iyong pang-anim na baraha, sa iyong general reading. Six of Pentacles. I can see that badly needed mo na itong blessings and opportunities na parating. You've been manifesting for this, you've been praying for this for a long time. It's because maraming nakaasa sa'yo. Marami kang tinutulungan, marami kang mga taong, kumbaga, you're helping in the way na, kumbaga, it's because this is your passion. Your heart is about helping other people. Maraming umaasa sa'yo, family members, mga kapatid siguro pinapaaral or tinutulungan, mga kapamilya. That's why you've been manifesting for this. I can see, Scorpio, you have a very good heart. And just continue being this kind of person na pagiging matulungin. And the blessing behind all of this is just extraordinary. Alright? So, I can see here na maraming na umaasa sa'yo, maraming kang tinutulungan ngayon. That's why you've been manifesting for these blessings to come in your way. But believe me, with the Magician card here, there's nothing impossible. Everything is like an alchemist. Everything, sabi ko nga, parang everything you touches will be turned into gold. Parang lahat ng iisipin mo, lahat ng gagawin mo, paplanuhin mo, magtatagumpay ito. It will be working on your way, on your side. Okay, Scorpio. So, pampito. We have here the Nine of Wands, Scorpio. A little bit of being maingat, mapagmasid sa mga tao sa paligid, sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan. Because the Nine of Wands here, I can see a person that is like, not only ini-stalk ka, not only asking for your whereabouts, ano bang nangyayari sa buhay mo, but it seems na parang minomonitor ka nito. It's because there's something hidden agenda. So, be careful sa pagtitiwala sa mga information, sa mga pag-uusap, sa mga, confidential issues or mga ideas na parang hindi dapat makalabas. So, kung pwede sa'yo na lang to, baka mamaya ma-overwhelm ka, ma-share mo ito sa iba. Although, you've been trusting that people for a long time, but mahirap na. But I can see like a person na parang just waiting at the corner, nag-aantay lang na mamali ka, mag-fail ka. So, for this person to be happy, okay, because I can see that these people are so envious of you. But believe me, with a Magician card, so everything matatakpan yung mga yan. So that this is just a minor thing. So just focus on the goals. Just focus on the blessings that is coming on your way, Scorpio. Two of Swords, so I can see your big decision making. Medyo nasa sitwasyon ka ng Scorpio ngayon na nalilito ka, naguguluhan ka sa mga susunod na hakbang na gagawin mo or sa mga steps. So it's because you are torn between two situations na parang hirap na hirap ka talaga. Nasa gitna ka. Hindi mo alam kung sinong papanigan mo, hindi mo alam kung sinong paniniwalaan mo. Yes, I can see here is an energy of no, talagang nahihirapan ka mag-decide. So nako-compromise yung happiness mo, yung peace of mind mo here. So I can see here this is also related to Pentacles, to money. So may sitwasyon also na parang involved ang pera na parang nahihirapan ka mag-decide. Or maybe this is an opportunity related to job, business opportunity, or any kind of blessing na talaga nahihirapan kang pumili dito. Okay? So, 9 card mo sa iyong general reading Scorpio is the Ace of Pentacles. Believe me, continue helping yourself to move forward until sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na maibabalik or tapos na. So, continue moving forward because with the Ace of Pentacles here, sabi ko meron talagang malaking blessing na kapalit ito. After all those painful experiences, sinasabi ko hindi mangyayari yon. Hindi gagamitin ng universe bilang sitwasyon para walang mas magandang kapalit, mas malaki. This Ace of Pentacles not only signifies money or financial resources, but this is also something na isang bagay na talagang makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Talagang this is the kind of thing that will help you to move forward or for your growth, for your development, or for you to, para makilala mo talaga ang sarili mo at mahanap mo talaga kung saang path ka belong. Alright? So this is Ace of Pentacles for Scorpio is like a big turnaround of your situation. Sabi ko nga, this is only a big amount of money, but this is a kind of blessing na talagang, kumbaga, isa-celebrate mo. So we have the 10 of Cups here, celebration, good news. So i-claim mo na this Scorpio. 10th and last card mo sa iyong general reading is the High Priestess. So you are gifted. You are blessed. You are divinely protected. So you don't need to worry. Just need to help yourself. Focus on your goals. But do not be distracted sa mga tao, sa mga sitwasyon sa paligid. You alone is Scorpio is enough. Okay, sarili mo na ikaw na mismo sapat na. Hindi mo na kakailanganin pa ng tulong ng ibang tao. You are skillful, you are very smart, magaling ka sa lahat, pag-manage ng resources, magaling ka sa pag-handle ng problema. That's why sabi ko with the High Priestess card here. So, big celebration is coming in your way. You are divinely protected and just continue manifesting for a lot of things kasi ibibigay ito sa'yo. With the Magician card here and the Ace of Cups. So, the bottom line of this card is like, believe me, Scorpio, claim mo na ito, you are bound to a path of victory, a path of abundance and prosperity that you've been waiting for a long time. But nakikita ko dito, bonus na lang itong mga pera. Bonus na lang itong mga material things because I know what you are wishing as of now, what you've been manifesting for a long time is the peace of mind, the stability, a kind of life na talagang, pinapangarap mo for a long time now. Wala na problemang iniisip. At least pa-chill na lang, relax na lang, Scorpio. Ito yung nakikita ka dito. Kasi sa pera, hindi naman kayo totally materialistic. You've been in all kinds of situation. Nasa ilalim, tumaas man, pabalik-balik man, or yumaman man o maghirap, but at least you're consistent sa mga pangangailangan mo. Contented ka sa kung anong meron ka. But the bottom line here is what you really wanted is a new beginning with the Ace of Cups where kumbaga, ang klase ng buhay na kumbaga pinapangarap mo for a long time. Blessed, happy, and contented. That's what you've been wanting for a long time, Scorpio. I'm wishing you all the best in life and praying for a lot of Scorpio na makaparod dito ngayon ating video. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod, mga pinamahal kong Scorpio na soulmates. Nasa mga kayo naroon, ano mang ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi, and God bless us all.